we will discuss shortly the hydroelectric energy. Hmm? In dam or reservoir, the kinetic energy, sorry, potential energy from the water is converted into the kinetic energy of water, that is by using turbines, and that fast flowing water is drives the that will drive turbine. hmm? and that turbine is connected to the generator and electricity is produced. Okay, so main point is uh, here this is a dam and this is a backwater. So from point B, this is a reservoir, that is backwater. From point B the water is taken, and that will be goes to the these turbines, water turbines, and that water turbines is connected to the generator, and from generator there will be formation of electricity. Only the main point is water is used here to rotate turbine, that is water turbine. Okay, it is also more simple. uh, you can take the you can see the advantages and problems or disadvantages of related to this hydroelectric power plant. Okay, this is also more simple because in this power plant there is no fuel is used, that's why no pollution is occurred. Then there will be, if there will be sufficient water, then sufficient energy, electricity is produced. Then next is if water reservoir is used for the power generation, that can be replenished or replaced during rainy season. मतलब in summer if there will be somewhat depletion of water, that water is replaced in the rainy season. Okay, so this is I will discuss in very short hydroelectric plant, right? From point B the water is taken, this is a sluice gate. Then from that water is converted into this, water is taken from this, from that gate water is taken in this water turbines, and water turbines are rotated and that connected to the generator and electricity is produced, right? Okay, again we can discuss in very short the wind energy, electricity generation using wind energy. It is also more simple because there is no use of fuel. Naturally wind is टेकन, मतलब जो हवा रहती है उसको सही तरीके से इस्तेमाल करके जो विंड पाइप्स होते हैं, विंड जो ब्लेड्स होते हैं उसको रोटेट करके वो जनरेटर को जॉइन करके इलेक्ट्रिसिटी प्रोड्यूस की जाएगी. देखो दिस इज अ विंड मिल, these are two blades, this is a shaft, this is a gearbox. From that gearbox the blades are rotated, मतलब जैसे हवा आएगा तो ये रोटेट होगा ये ब्लेड, और जब ये रोटेट होगा तो उसकी वजह से वहाँ पे एक जनरेटर उसको ज्वाइन किया है, तो जनरेटर एंड जनरेटर में से फिर इलेक्ट्रिसिटी. हियर द ब्लेड्स आर यूज्ड एज अ टर्बाइन, मतलब ये जो फिन है ये यूज्ड एज अ टर्बाइन, राइट? ओके, देखो यहाँ पे विंड विथ रिक्वायर्ड वेलोसिटी, then this wind connected to the wind turbine with large fins, these are two fins, then that will be connected to the generator here, generator, and from that generator electricity is produced, right? You will keep in mind that you will just discuss I cannot discuss this point electric energy generation and environment because there are some problems. You'll I will not discuss this point. You keep in mind these points in your own. Okay.